Hello, I'm going to show you how you can add videos to your book creator pages. So while you are in your book creator, you can go ahead and go to the plus sign. Under media, you can record yourself. You can use the camera. And you can either choose to take a picture of yourself or record a video. So I will record a video real quick. It's a countdown. Hello, this was just a demonstration to show you how to record a video. I'll stop that video, and then they allow you to preview it. Hello, this was just a demonstration to show you how to record a video. That's fine. I'm gonna go ahead and use it. And it will load it and then embed it right onto my page. So there it is. I'm going to go ahead and resize that and put it where I would like it to be on the page. Another way you can add video is to embed a link to content that's already created. So I'm going to go to YouTube and copy a link. Then in Book Creator, once again, I'm going to go to the plus sign. This time I'm going to go to More and find the Embed option. You can see that the YouTube icon is already there, so we do know that Book Creator works with YouTube. And I'm going to paste my link into that box. I will confirm, and I can tell, yep, that is what I want. It's a PE activity. It's a gummy run. And I'll add that on there, resize it. The nice thing also is Book Creator works with YouTube to filter out any advertisements that may occur before the video begins. So when you embed YouTube videos into Book Creator, when it's opened, it'll go straight to the content. So let's go ahead and test that out.
Young people, welcome to the Gummy Run.
Those were two ways of how to add video, either video that you are creating. Maybe you want to use that to give instructions to students about what the assignment is or what they're going to be learning about. Or you can also embed content that is already created to help them either get engaged or to explore the topic that you're going to be teaching. All right, hopefully you found that helpful. Thank you for watching.